In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on mic and voice chat on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Now click on the headphone icon, and in here, go ahead and click on the party section. Now at the top right corner of your screen, enable this headphone icon to be able to enable in voice and turn on your mic during matches on the platform. So you can just go ahead and invite to party. So as you can see in here, once you click on the invoice theme, you'll be able to find more settings about this microphone. So once you click on this, you'll be able to find the game voice channel where you can set your mic on only for party only, and you can set your party settings. Turning on your mic during matches on the platform will allow you to collaborate easily with the other players on your team to ensure victory at the end of each game. And that's how you can simply turn on mic and voice chat on Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.